Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about some entertainment news. Guys, you know Guti Musa Kaula will serve you content that you never knew existed. Okay, especially for me because I don't follow most of the celebrities. But Musa Kaula wrote Uguti Sitelo Shozi and her baby sister Z Shozi are on vacation in Paris, France. You've never been there, you don't understand, but let me bring you back. While they are wearing coordinated outfits, right? It's worth noticing that Z Shozi is wearing a shoe size bigger than her. It appears the shoes worn by Z Shozi could be Stella. Like, guys, Umusa does not have peace. Guy finds everything, like a problem in everything. But you guys like him and you like this post. So do like, share, and subscribe. And most of all, tell me, do the shoes belong to Ulo? Ustelo?